All right. Hi, I'm Zach, and we have Lonnie with us today. And we just closed on her property. And Lonnie, thank you for agreeing to meet with me in Zoom. So I'm just going to
You're
ask
welcome.
you a couple of questions. So, what was your situation like? What made you decide to sell the property?
Well, initially I wanted to move back home to North Carolina and everything, but it's mostly I don't like living on this main road. I don't know. I just kind of wanted something much smaller because when I got the house, I had a bigger family and so many more people that lived here, and my kids have grown up and kind of dispersed, and I just want something smaller and just you know just no specific reason. Um, And plus, I don't really want to own anymore because if I want to just up and move, I just
Mhm.
want to be able to travel. I want to do things like that.
All right.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yep. Traveling, right. So now that we've closed, what's your like number one destination that you're gonna go to?
Um, let's see. Well, I have looked at a few apartments, but what I
Mhm.
really want to do is get like a camper, a motor home that like I could travel with. That's preferably what I want to do,
Mhm.
and not really have to settle down in one spot. Like I said, my kids are grown pretty much. I
Mhm.
only have one that's 17, and the others are grown, and
Oh,
so I
okay.
just want to do my thing now and live my life. So.
All right.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. All right. And what was your experience working with our company, Sell House Columbus, and with me as your sales representative?
You guys have been very friendly, very like you
Thank you.
keep up with me, have been very, very forward with everything. You guys checked in with me, and if I checked in with you guys got back with me immediately. Everyone has been very friendly and kept me updated. That's what I was
Mhm.
more concerned about because
Mhm.
I've been through this before and sold a house way back when, and it was like it was like trying to get a hold of people and not getting like they never kept me updated, or it would go like a month, 45 days, and then still not hearing
Oh.
anything. And
Mm.
so I was really scared at first because it's like I wanted to sell my home and I was like I just don't want to get scammed, but you guys obviously are not a scam. You guys have been on point with everything, keeping me updated, checking in with me, letting me know what's happening, what every step that we're going to go through. You guys have been wonderful with that.
All right. Thank you. Thank
Everybody
you.
that I've spoke with through you guys, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. I
So
appreciate that. And yeah, that has been our commitment. Right, we make sure that if ever somebody reaches out, especially a seller, like
mhm,
sends us a text or asks us a question via email or via call, we make sure that we respond within the next, if possible, like within the next 2 minutes. Right, that has been our commitment.
mhm.
Right.
Yes, and it's been a very quick process too. It's not
Mhm.
like I have to wait. I feel relieved because now I know like something got done. I'm going to be able to pursue what I needed to do or what I wanted to do. Like I said, I initially do want to go back home. I'm from North Carolina, so I kind of got stuck here during COVID, and
Mhm.
they weren't letting people travel because I had sold my house there and came here to get a vehicle off of a family friend, and we got stuck here. COVID hit, they were closing down airports and everything. So I was like,
Mhm.
the money I had to buy a house fast. And like, this is not where I wanted to settle down. Nothing wrong with Ohio. It's
Mhm.
just, I want to be back home. So that's, the number one thing. And that's where all my family is. And I mainly just want to go back there, and I have like the option to do that. I tried to stay here and it's just not me. It's not for me. I'm a country
Absolutely.
girl, so I just want to go back home.
Absolutely. All right.
Nothing wrong with the area. I have not had issues with the area or any neighbors. All the neighbors are nice. It's just I still don't feel at home here. My home is North Carolina. So the main thing.
Absolutely.
Once my kids grew up and like got stable and everything, and COVID passed and all that, I'm like, you know what? Now I could go back home. I don't have to worry about having my children aren't underage anymore. They're off doing their own thing, living their own lives. So now I could just go do what I want to do. So,
Mhm. All
and I
right.
just want to travel and stuff. So,
All right, that's great. And last question, Lonnie, like, would you recommend our company, Sell House Columbus, to homeowners out there who wants to sell their property for cash quickly?
oh, I most definitely would because you guys, the process
Thank you.
had been so quick that I'm still kind of stunned. Like, wow, it happened this fast already. I was anticipating and worrying and thinking this is probably going to take a long time. Like, I know the paperwork and the process, but everybody that works for your company and that you guys deal with, everybody's on the ball. They're on top of things. Like
Mm.
there is nothing that I've had to wait on. Um, the contractor that came out quick and assessed everything quick and professionally. You have been dealing with me professionally. The notary, everybody in the whole situation was very professional and very on top of things.
All
So
right.
I didn't have to worry there. And then at a certain point, I was like, I know I'm definitely not getting scammed here. I knew
Hmm.
that this was legit and real because that was what my fear was. I think that's the fear of most people who go into something like this. And
Absolutely.
you guys are definitely genuine, and I would definitely recommend. And if I ever buy another home here in Ohio and I want to sell it, I would definitely call you guys back. Because the one who initially contacted me, her name was Lou.
Hmm.
She had been with me since day one and so friendly and informative, and she got the whole process started for me and then handed me over to you, and you've been nothing but like on top of things since day one. So I
All
really
right.
appreciate
All right. Thank you, Lonnie. And again, all right, it's been a pleasure working with you, and I appreciate the love. I appreciate the kind words. All right.
it. No problem.
All
No
right. And again, all right, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. And if you're looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. Thank you. And thank you, Lonnie. And see you on the next video.
All right.
All right.
Goodbye.